Today we're going to be showing you how to use Quarkus. This is probably the coolest new Java framework I've seen in quite some time. It has lots of really cool features. This paired with the new Java virtual threads. I mean, these are two really big boosts to the JVM ecosystem. So, anyways, enough of that. Let's just talk about how do we run it. If we go to this get started, I assume you've already installed it, so we can skip past that. We'll come down here and we'll do this Quarkus create cd code with Quarkus. Sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong here. Alright, so we've created it and we're in here. We can go ahead and do a Quarkus dev. So this has a nice little code reload feature. It'll kind of just reload all your class files and so forth, so you can just kind of live edit like you would in, like, say something like JavaScript or something. And you can see how fast it boots, which the boot time itself is pretty cool for a unikernel based environment. Anyways, so that's that. And then if we do a Quarkus build, this will throw us a jar into the target directory. And that jar will have everything we need for, like, for instance, a prod deploy. So this is running test 2. I think you can, exclude those via CLI option or through the POM or whatever. But we'll let that run because it's not so slow. Yeah, 20 seconds wasn't so bad. And then we're going to run it as a unikernel. So I created a Java 20 package the other day, so we can just pop this in. But first, let's grab this config JSON. So I give it a base volume size of 500 megs. If you haven't used ops before, essentially Nanos will try to use up all the disk space available. Typically, you're going to want to set some sort of base volume size if you're doing any sort of file system activity, which you probably are. So I just give it 500. Args, jar target Quarkus Rs, Quarkus run, and then the source and the target. I don't think you have to include the source, but maybe you do. I didn't look too closely. So config JSON, pop it in there, and then go back, grab our line here, and we'll go ahead and load it up. Now keep in mind, the first time you run this this package load, it's going to build the disk image and then run it. And so there's this -s option where you can skip the build process if you already have an image that's built and all you want to do is run it. So that's an option. As you can see, it's up and running. Let's go ahead and ping it. What is it, 8,000 or? All right, so there you go. Now you got the Quarkus framework running as a unikernel. I think it's a great pairing. It would be great to see some more demos of this in the future. Till next time, bye-bye.